Hey, if you're thinking about moving to San Clemente and you're interested in beach close property, then you're not gonna wanna miss today's tour. I'm Ryan Schramm, and this is my Living in San Clemente YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna be taking you through a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo, and behind me is one of San Clemente's best beaches, and it's a super short walk, ride, however you wanna get there. It is not far. Stay tuned and check this place out. All right, so here we have the walk up to this building. This is an 8-unit condo complex. So anytime you're looking at condos by the beach, you're gonna find all different types of dynamics from, does the property have an elevator? Does it have stairs? What's the parking situation like? What are you looking at when you walk up to the property and the surroundings? This property, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but it has a really nice horizon ocean view from the front door area. Out there in the distance, that's San Clemente State Park. It's really nice to be able to look out and see expansiveness from the front door. This particular unit has a really nice kind of entryway where you could put furniture, another hangout spot to look at the view. Not all condos are created equal, which is one thing that I think when you look through some of the previews and tours on my channel, you'll see everything is super different. I really like this walk-up approach, and the people that are selling this property tell me this is a spot that they really like to hang out and sit at. You can see it's relatively private here too. That's another thing. When you're buying a condo, that's an attached property. You definitely want to analyze and see what kind of privacy does this unit have. So let's go inside and check this place out. As you come in, one of the first things that's popping out to me is the open floor concept. So this layout, the floor plan in this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo, it's about 1,400 square feet. You could see living space, dining space, and kitchen are all open concept. And that's one thing that when I'm taking people around and we're looking at properties, the majority of folks want something that's open, where if you're hanging out, this is a beach property. So if you're entertaining, hanging out, this is a spot where you can see one another while you're hanging out, cooking, watching the game, whatever that might be. There's also this really nice fireplace as a focal point. It's currently got this marble tile surround. And then you've got another outside living space right off the eating area with that same view that we had out front. So San Clemente State Park off in the distance. And it's pretty cool to think, you're looking out at San Clemente State Park. I can see different RVs and trailers and campers, and those people are coming from all over the world to camp right there, hang out at that beach, and just think this condo here is a permanent vacation. So you've got a little 2-person bistro, a spot for a barbecue, plenty of space to hang out here. Another thing that I'm picking up on when I'm in here is all the natural light that's pouring in. I know that natural light is important to a lot of people. You don't want to be in a home that feels dark. You want to be in a home that feels uplifting, lots of sunlight. That's why we live by the beach, right? So it is getting a ton of natural light. The ceilings in here are 8-foot ceilings. You could see the recessed lighting in the kitchen. There are fire sprinklers in this home too. Little interesting note about fire sprinklers. Those were mandated to be required in properties in the early 80s in San Clemente. That's when the fire authority mandated that homes be fire sprinklered. Got this pretty large stainless steel double basin sink. These are granite countertops. And we've got a white shaker cabinetry here. Looks like a brushed nickel or a chrome pole. So this home has been updated within the last decade. One of the things that the property owner did here was put matching new appliance package. This is a rose gold handle. You can see it's got the dark gray interior with all the LED lighting. Matching microwave. And for those coffee lovers, Mocha Master. What's cool about this property is it does come fully furnished. Furnished can mean one of two things. So this is something, if you're ever looking at a property that says it comes furnished, be sure and ask, is that just the furniture? Or does that include everything like rugs, lamps, decor, soft goods like utensils, pots and pans, the coffee maker? In this particular instance, we're talking furniture and furnishings, so everything. But that's definitely something you'll want to ask if you're ever looking at a property that says it comes with furniture. Now we're leaving the common area of the home. We're going to head down this hallway. One of the things you might want to take a look at if you're watching this, these are wide plank engineered hardwood floors. So engineered floor means it's real wood. It's not a printed picture of wood. Like some tiles and some laminates might have a printed surface or a veneer surface. This is actual wood. So these feel very solid underfoot, and they are wide plank, so they make this hallway seem a little bit wider. It is a good, 36-inch or more. This might be a 38-inch hallway. So when you walk down this, it doesn't feel narrow. You can see there's a lot of storage here. We're going to open this up. Storage is very important when you're talking about a relatively smaller condo. Again, this is 1,400 square feet, so having a place for coats, brooms, vacuums, the different things that you need to store becomes really important. These two closets here, this is a utility closet. We've got forced air unit, so this is going to have central heat. There is no air conditioning here. We're less than a quarter of a mile away from the actual ocean, so most of the breeze that's coming off of the ocean is going to help keep this property cool. I think if you talk to most people in this location here by the beach, they would say you only need air conditioning maybe 3 weeks out of the entire year. This is the first guest bedroom. We'll take you in here. You can see there's a lot of space. You've got the mirrored closet doors, a large window, getting back to that natural light. Let's take a peek at what we're looking at here. Pull the curtain back. Palm trees and blue skies. You also have this building next door which kind of acts like a mirror for the sunlight. If you kind of think of a modeling in the sun, you've got somebody holding a mirror shining the light on them. That's what that building next door does. It kind of helps concentrate the light in this direction. And I would say this is an above average size bedroom for a 1,400 square foot condo. You've got a full size bed. This might even be a queen. And then plenty of space over here for another chair or some place to hang out, which is cool because a lot of people will be looking at this as a vacation spot. So if you can imagine your friends or guests staying here, how much space is there for them to put luggage or to put the things that they brought, kind of spread those things out and still have their bed and their night tables. You can see a lot of colorful art in here too. The current owner is an artist. A lot of this stuff has been featured in Laguna Beach, so that's pretty cool. So we have the laundry area. Another really important thing, some condos might not have inside laundry. This one does. Got a newer stackable LG washer dryer setup, plus space to hang clothes right next to it. And then here we have the first bathroom. This is a bathroom that services the guest bedroom, so this would be a guest bathroom. You can see it's a full bathroom. Full bathroom means you've got a shower, a tub, toilet, and a sink. So this would be coming in at a full bath. And then one of my favorite features here, the skylight. Letting more natural light into this condo. As far as upgrades are concerned in here, this is probably original. This is most likely how it was built. Got the white 4-inch tile with a smaller 2-inch tile detail, but everything in here is super clean. This place has been really well taken care of. Tile on the floors. And as we make our way down the hall here, we've got the other secondary bedroom. This is currently being used as an office by the homeowners. Pretty much the same size as the other bedroom. They're very wide or deep. So plenty of space for, again, you know, a hangout spot in the room and the bed. In addition, we have the closet here. And then let's go find our way into the master bedroom. So what are we looking for in any master bedroom? How's the closet space? 1,400 square feet. You know, you want to make sure that the space is used really well. This is our first mirrored closet here in this master bedroom. And then we kind of come into this suite area. And what I mean by a suite is you've got space for a TV, chairs, perhaps a couch, and the bed. So I would call this a master suite, not just a master bedroom. And then check this out. We've got another mirrored closet here. That definitely helps with the allocation of space. And then the master bath. Another skylight, letting in a ton of natural light. This shower actually has a jacuzzi tub. So that's pretty cool. You can see the jets in the tub. It's got a window as well. Let plenty of fresh air in. And then the same finishings as the secondary bath. White 4-inch tile, 2-inch blue tile detail, single vanity, meaning just one sink. And then check that out. We'll walk up to this window overlooking the ocean and Riviera Beach. Let's see if we can focus this in and show you just how much ocean view there is. So the beach we're looking out over is Riviera Beach. And I would give this view, this is a really good view. You've got a lot of depth and a lot of width, not a lot of obstruction. So if you weren't here and you were asking me to preview this property for you and tell you what I thought, I'm gonna tell you over the phone that this property has a really good ocean view. It's not the best in town, but it is really a nice view. Not sure if you can see it in the video, but I can see the outline of Catalina Island today. You would also be able to see San Clemente Island from here, especially on a clear day. And then this property backs up to a coastal canyon, so palm trees, a lot of vegetation. It's just really pleasant to look at rather than looking at other homes back here or other condo buildings. Now these coastal canyons, they act as kind of a waterway for some streams and some storm drains that are throughout the city. So down in here is kind of some moving and stagnant water at times, so there will be some frogs in this canyon at night. It sounds really pretty. If you don't like the sounds of frogs, then you wouldn't want to own this building, because one of the favorite things of the people that live here is the frogs that get going in the springtime. And I can see a boat going by. Anytime you can see a sailboat or a power boat and you can make it out with the naked eye and see their wake or see the direction that they're traveling, that is an indication that you've got a really good view from the property of the ocean. While we're out here, check this out. These windows have been upgraded to a dual pane vinyl slider system, as well as the sliding doors here. Got a really nice breeze at this property. You can see these shears flapping around in the wind. Now you might have heard a little bit of car noise in the background. We are really close to the I-5 freeway here. We call it the 5 here. If you're from Oregon or Washington, you might call it I-5, but we call it the 5 in San Clemente, and you can hear some of the noise in the background. Part of that is because the wind direction today is blowing from the east to the west, so it carries a little bit more of that noise. But I would not say that this is a super loud freeway noise property. I'm pretty sensitive to noise, and I would say that this is totally doable. And it's a little bit louder today just because of the wind direction. So again, 1,400 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2 bathrooms. We're gonna take you down to the garage so you can see the parking situation, but I wanted to leave you with one last walkthrough of the main spaces here. This property is currently listed for $1.25 million, and it's been on the market for about 10 days. It's been a lot of interest. Let's go check out that garage. All right, so let's see what it would be like to walk down to the garage from the front. You can see the driveway going down to the subterranean garage is plenty wide. This wouldn't be a difficult garage to traverse. So I refer to this as like an open subterranean, so we're a little bit below ground level here. Plenty of height for some of the taller cars. Now the condo that we were in has 2 dedicated spaces. You can see them here. And then one of the nice features of this property is that they do have storage closets. So you can put boards, boogie boards, beach chairs, toys, things like that in this storage closet. And it's plenty wide to back in and out of here. You can see this car has a rack on it, still plenty of space. So anytime you're looking at a property by the beach, parking is crucial, and this definitely has it. So there you have it. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, beach close condo. If I went and walked to the beach right now with you, it would take less than 3 minutes. In my opinion, that's something that you would definitely put your running shoes on, put your walking shoes on, and use the beach. A lot of properties are too far away to where you have to get in the car. You might not use the beach as much. What I think about this property is you'll definitely end up using the beach, and it'll be one of the favorite amenities of this property. I know that it is for the people that live here now. When they bought the place, they didn't necessarily have beach close on their wish list. And now that they live here, they tell me they can't imagine not living within a walking distance of the beach. So definitely something that's important. Now, if you're interested in more properties like this, you can always reach out to me. Just send me an email, tell me what you're looking for, and I can go out and I can preview some properties for you and give you some feedback. And if you'd like, we can take a call or a Zoom, and you can give me all the specifics of what you're looking for so that I can help figure out where exactly you want to be in San Clemente. Thanks so much, and I look forward to hearing from you.